going to go over the setup and also the risk manager, most importantly. So that way you guys could understand how to mitigate risk and also certain setups that I'm looking out for the rest of the week. And please, 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 if any questions throughout this Zoom call, feel free to ask. That's the purpose of the Zoom call, so that way you can ask questions in person and we could go ahead and execute them one by one. Really excited to show you guys this. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into it. So this is MT4. I prefer using MT4 than MT5. I've always preferred MT4 over MT5 for years. It's just something that I started trading with, and I noticed that MT5 itself, it just has a lot of restrictions, especially with expert advisors, and it just doesn't work as smoothly, in my opinion. So I prefer using MT4. We're gonna go over real quick how to use the risk manager. I'm gonna load mine onto the charts right here. And this is the mini dashboard settings. You don't need to use these settings that are inside of the expert settings. I'm gonna show you guys in just a bit how you can use the mini dashboard and what the mini dashboard is for. So we can go ahead and leave this as is and then press OK. And it's gonna pull up the dashboard right here for us to have ready to use. If you're new to MT4, well, is anybody here new to MT4 MetaTrader, or they have experience? So that way I know if I need to start with very basic information or if I could go ahead and go straight at it. All new to this. All right, so we're gonna go step by step and also just share as much information as possible, but you have it set up. All right, so you're not that new. You got it going. Awesome. The indicator and the risk manager is okay. Alexander, do you know if you are using, which broker are you using right now for MT5? And if we need to, at the end of the call, okay, FTMO, we can go ahead and share your screen at the end of the Zoom call and see if we could figure out what's going on with your system to make sure that you can use it on MT5. So that way you don't have a problem. But basically here we have a few things on MT4 and it's very similar on MT5. We have our watch list right here, which is equivalent to TradingView to have your symbols searching. You can go ahead and search your symbols or whatever it is that you want right here. And your little star is where you're going to open up your folders. You see the folder in the star where you have all your indicators, your accounts, and stuff like that. Can you show again how to make smaller risk manager? Yes. So we're going to go over the risk manager step by step. The first thing is once you load it onto the chart, if you need to go back into the settings, you're going to go into this little smiley face here. There is a size factor here. The size factor is going to make the dashboard bigger or smaller. So when you go, let's say 50 and hit OK, now the dashboard is smaller use for, let's say, different size desktops. What's really awesome about that is you can have this on a VPS, which is a virtual computer that's running 24/7 online. And you can open up that VPS right on your phone, minimize the dashboard, and do risk management with a few simple clicks right from your phone. So that's really, really awesome, especially if you're trading on certain firms that have an IP address restriction. I have a whole entire video on it on YouTube. It's very helpful. And whenever I'm on the go and have an IP restriction. So yeah, but other than that, it's really cool to be able to size up and down for different size computers. Now, below that is the mini dashboard inputs. That's where we have just a few simple inputs that reflect very similar to the 2.0 version. The 2.0 version does not have as much features as the lifetime version. So I'm just gonna put this back at 75 since I got a huge computer and hit OK. The mini dashboard is this right here. This is the mini dashboard. We can minimize it by hitting that mini button. So this is the 30-minute chart, I believe on GA. Let me see. Yes, this is the 30-minute chart on GA. And it's just been beautiful, beautiful price action. Let's just see how many pips we're at from this signal to here. We're looking at 738. 7,389 points. So the dashboard, there's so much going on here, and it might be overwhelming at first, but once you understand all the moving parts, it's a breeze. It's absolutely easy, and much simpler than having to come up with your lot size on your own, which is the reason why a lot of traders struggle with getting profitability. Risk management is the foundation, and it's what's going to allow you to be able to lose trades and have zero attachment to the outcome. So that way, you're not worried about losing the trade. You're just worried about keeping up with risk management and having a positive risk to reward with your trading. And then at the end of the month, you will be profitable. This was just a short preview on what goes on inside of the Lifetime Member Zoom call. To unlock access to the entire 3-hour video, go to propfirmalgo.com and sign up as a member, where we go over trade ideas just like you see right here, available to the VIP private community of Propfirm Algo. Or become a lifetime member using the 84% off discount, which is ending soon, and get access to the live Zoom calls. And if you found any value in this video, please do like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always stay up to date to the next video.